Hello and welcome to a new HiCAD short clip. In this video I would like to show you the improved part orientation. To do this you first need to set some options in the configuration. Under part properties the calculation of dimensions is set to always for demonstration purposes. Sorting the attributes is new. Both settings are deactivated by default. I set that the development dimensions are to be transferred to the development attributes. This gives you the dimensions of the sheet and the development as well as the bounding box of the sheet. Next, there is a new setting under production drawing that checks the part orientation of sheet metal parts. We will see that effect later. I restart HiCAD so that the settings take effect. Now let's take a look at one of the bulb plates. Via the toolbar, you activate the display of the dimension orientation. As you can see, the length refers to the short edge and the width to the longer edge. By sorting the dimensions, the highest value is automatically transferred to the attribute length, the next highest to the attribute width, and the lowest value to the attribute height. If the sorting had been deactivated, length and width would have been swapped in this case. So that you do not have to laboriously set the orientation of each part via the context menu, the functions for part and dimension orientation are now located in the main bar of the functions. The symbols have been modernized. Here you will find all functions as in the context menu under Properties. After calling up the function, a part is always asked for first. After the selection, the plane for defining the orientation is queried. This continues until you end the function. The part will be activated. This way you can see the orientation of the part up to now and can react accordingly. In addition, you do not have to set the orientation for the identical parts again. In addition to referencing, this is now also done via itemization. It depends on which option you have used for itemization. Here in this example, the orientations are only transferred within the assembly due to the itemization by assemblies. If I had used itemization by model drawings, the orientation would be transferred to all the same parts, regardless of which assembly they belong to. Finally, I come back to the check of the sheet metal part orientation. If the option is active, then before the workshop drawing is automatically created, it is reported that at least one edge sheet has no orientation. If this occurs, the parts without orientation are marked in the ICN. You can decide here whether the drawing should be created anyway or not. If not, you have another chance to set the sheet orientations correctly. That's it for this HiCAD short clip. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.